Hey guys, Audi fans, get ready. The folks from Ingolstadt have cooked up a big surprise for you. After a 5-year hiatus, Audi is bringing back the RS6 in a sedan body style, which in the last 2 generations was offered exclusively as an Avant. The first spy shots of the prototype, spotted at the Nürburgring, confirm that Ingolstadt is serious about challenging the BMW M5, and the new car looks absolutely stunning. But let's go through everything step by step. The exterior of the RS6 is radical and aggressive, shaped by an equally radical approach to aerodynamics and cooling. The front end is dominated by a massive grille with a unique 3-dimensional diamond pattern complemented by hypertrophic air intakes and a pronounced splitter, something that has long become a signature trait of the RS lineup. The vertical vents in the front fenders, designed to channel turbulent air out of the wheel arches, are still there, along with widened side skirts that add even more muscularity to the car. The front lighting has also undergone significant changes. The slim matrix LED headlights are now visually split, adding another layer of aggression to the car's overall presence. At the rear, everything is just as impressive. The car features the classic RS dual oval exhaust tips with increased diameter integrated into an aggressive diffuser, along with a new trunk lid spoiler that enhances downforce at high speeds. Overall, everything here is exactly where it should be. The interior architecture continues the theme of a fierce, aggressive machine, and despite the heavy camouflage on the test mules, the new model is expected to inherit the digital ecosystem of Audi's latest flagships, including the standard A6. The RS6 will feature the same display layout, an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.5-inch central infotainment screen, supplemented by an optional passenger display, which in this case will even be standard. As expected from an RS model, the car will also come with sports seats upholstered in dynamic microfiber, a material Audi frequently uses across the cabin, often combined with carbon inserts and real aluminum. All of this is designed to constantly remind you of the car's performance-oriented nature. And yes, performance is very much part of the story. Let's dive into that. The new RS6 is not just a model update, but a high-octane therapy session for those who've already started mourning internal combustion engines. Built on the PPC platform, it proves that Ingolstadt still knows how to combine pragmatic German engineering with raw, almost primal aggression. However, this time, that aggression comes with a charging cable. The presence of a charging port confirms that we're dealing with a plug-in hybrid monster trying to play the eco game without taking off its boxing gloves. The technical foundation of the car has undergone a fundamental transformation. In the name of emission standards and environmental demands, the new RS6 moves to a high-performance hybrid setup. Its powertrain is based on the architecture of the recently introduced RS5, but with significantly increased output. Preliminary figures suggest a combined power of 750 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, achieved through the synergy of a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 and an electric motor integrated into an 8-speed ZF transmission, which sounds extremely promising. The electric motor will be powered by a 26 kilowatt-hour battery, providing not only explosive performance, but also the ability to drive silently in electric mode, although that's unlikely to be a feature many buyers will prioritize. As for performance, it's best not to get your hopes too high. The new RS6 will almost certainly not be faster than the previous generation, at least not in the way we'd like, and the reason is weight. There were hopes that Audi would manage to cleverly integrate the hybrid system and keep weight down compared to competitors, but those hopes faded after the debut of the new RS5, which weighs 2,335 kilograms, and that's with a lighter V6 engine. Which brings us to the point. The new RS6 sedan is likely to suffer the same fate as the BMW M5, which weighs 2,435 kilograms and takes 3.6 seconds to hit 100 kilometers. Don't expect miracles. The new RS6 will likely have very similar figures, so a true revolution is unlikely. On the bright side, the RS6 will get its own drift mode, and traction will still be handled by Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive, combined with an advanced torque vectoring system that Audi calls the Invisible Maestro, ensuring precise control of this heavy hybrid machine, and that's definitely something to appreciate. The new RS6 is set to debut later this year, and Audi plans to launch both the sedan and the Avant simultaneously.